Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have arrived at the parade site for the classic car staging. Quite a few of us are here, and some of us are on the way. We've got a handful of our cars here, a couple from Riverside Hot Rods in this region, and the rest of the parade is back in this parking lot over here, and that parking lot is packed. There's floats and horses on floats and floating horses and all kinds of stuff. So we're going to get our stuff put together and get our flags up and get in line and see you out there. Gentlemen, welcome back. We have gotten the parade done. Got some candy out there. Saw a bunch of kids jumping up and down, just excited as hell to see some cars. So thank everybody. Thank you everybody for coming out. That was fun. Um, Slid a couple kids of Hot Wheels. Hopefully you guys will get bit by the bug like we all did, and by the bug. Anyway, we got a bunch of cars starting to show up here now that the parade's done. Um, Did some setup. We're starting to lay out the trophies and things over here. We're starting to get the food going. Music's already going. Let's go check out some cars. So we're out here at the burnout area. Got the concrete blocks and everything, and got some tires changed out. I put some, I think they're 3rd gen Camaro rims and tires on the back of the Chevelle. I got some decent tread to them. Hopefully I can go for a little while and not destroy my quarter panels. I will say that the rear end is looking kind of sketchy. It's making some noise on the way over here, so I might yeet the drive shaft out, or I don't know, maybe the rear end will just leave the chat. I don't know. It's about all the new age lingo I got for you. Cut boys are out here. They're getting their tires changed out, and here shortly we're gonna start.
Well, that was a super fun event. I hope everybody that attended had a great time. Look forward to seeing you guys again next time. Thanks for showing up. If you guys were just coming through and checking out the cars, we hope to see you again. Thanks to all our sponsors and everyone that donated. Couldn't do that without you. And we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.